Hey guys, JD here, and today I'll be doing my full review on the PWC Brackets 4-inch stereo system for the Kawasaki Ultra 160 and Ultra 310. So stay tuned, only on JD's Water World. So I'm one of those guys that swore up and down I did not want a stereo on my jet ski. In fact, I bought this trim specifically because it didn't come with the big footwell speakers and the pods up on top. And so when Dave from PWC Brackets reached out to me and said, hey man, I just came out with this new system for the Ultra 310s. I see you do a bunch of different tutorials. How would you like to do an install and review video on my new system? I was a little hesitant at first, in complete honesty. But Dave was like, let me send you the system. He's like, I've done a ton of testing on my own 310. And he sent me a bunch of pictures of the system installed, as you see here on his 310. And, he was real straightforward with me about it. And I said, you know what, man? I said, I'm going to go for it. I'm going to give it a try. After testing these speakers out for just over a month, I can tell you they sound awesome out on the water, even at full throttle. Now, it is hard to portray in this video how loud these truly are, but take a look at these clips from this ride. The only audio in these clips is from the speakers themselves. These speakers are cranked all the way up, and so is the ski for most of this ride, and you can hear them perfectly. This stereo goes so loud, it even drowns out the supercharger pegged at 15 psi. I really love the integrated Bluetooth controller that was included with this system. It has a great clean factory look. In fact, it looks better than the factory controller. It has crisp backlit buttons that are easy to use and have great feedback. And the best part is it's not speed locked like the factory system. The 4-inch waterproof speaker pods really sound great. These actually feature 3-inch passive radiators on the backside. They have a 1-inch voice coil and a 1-inch PEI dome neo-magnet tweeter. And these actually sound quite a bit better than competitive speakers that are much larger, yet they don't take up too much space on your ski or add too much extra weight. The kit also includes a marine-grade 4-channel Class D full-range amplifier that puts out 600 peak watts across 4 channels. For this installation, I was using just the 2 channels, and PWC Brackets included really good instructions on how to properly adjust the amp for this application. Everyone knows that the Kawasaki Ultras are the ultimate offshore machines, so why make a speaker system that can't hold up? The PWC Brackets 4-inch speaker system is fully designed with saltwater riders in mind. From the stainless steel studs and mounting hardware to the 316 stainless grills on both the front and back of the speakers, this system can go along for the ride, even in the chop. Well, these speakers look awesome, they were fairly easy to install, they sound awesome, and they're durable. So what more could you want from a stereo system for your personal watercraft? So there's one thing I wanted to share with you guys, and this is true with any Bluetooth audio system. So I was relying on a streaming service to stream audio to the system, and once I got offshore, I lost my internet connection and my streaming service went down. So the solution would be to ensure that you have the music you want to listen to out on the water downloaded to your phone so that if you lose connection, it doesn't stop streaming. Also, always remember to install a disconnect switch or a breaker so that you can cut the power to the amp when it's not being used. Well, we hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to visit pwcbrackets.com for more great audio products for your Kawasaki jet ski.
If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more Kawasaki content, only on JD's Waterworld.